This is Opportunal Jazz, and I'm back, I guess. So I know it's been a long time since I made a video of where I'm just sitting down and talking to you guys. So I kind of wanted to do that again. I've been trying to make videos. Oh my gosh, excuse me. Oh my gosh, okay. I've been wanting to make videos for a while now of just me talking. But if you guys remember, I made a video titled Insecure on Camera, I believe. And that's pretty much why I haven't been making them, because I've still been pretty insecure. I'm not going to get this into an emotional talk, but I actually deleted that video because it was starting to bother me. So I'm just going to give you guys a few updates on what's been happening lately, and that's pretty much it. But before I start, I want you to see my Pepper dog. Say hello, Pepper. I mean, woof, okay, that was such a fail. As you can see, we are in a new spot where you can see a lot of my dining room and my kitchen and some of my living room and some of the hallway. But this place has pretty good lighting. I am holding my phone. You can probably see my arm right here. There's not really a good spot that has good lighting where I could put my phone down, like something to stand. So you might see my arm switch a lot. If that bothers you, please leave the video now. New gauges! Yay! So the video I made when I was stretching my ears, I went to a 0.0, right? So now I am actually at a 1/2 inch, so I'm 2 sizes bigger. I actually planned on staying at a 0.0, but I wanted bigger. Not in a weird way. I'm sorry. Well, here they are anyways. 0.0, I'm sorry, I keep messing up. 1/2 inch Batman tunnels. See if I can get it closer. So, see, that's a pretty decent size for me. I kind of do want to go bigger still, but it's good enough. I also got another pack. I posted all this on Instagram, by the way. The other pack is another 1/2 inch tunnels that are 8 different colors. There's black, red, pink, blue, green, white, yellow, and purple. I believe it's purple. I have lots of gauges now to stack up on. One can go with every outfit. Works out good. I got new shirts. Also, this is a new shirt. Escape the fate. It's cutting my stomach. Yeah. Why do I do these things? Escape the fate. I don't really want to show you guys all the new shirts I got because too many and it's just probably boring. New bracelet. Wow. Let me just fix that. Yay! It was given to me by someone. Yeah. Why do I do these things? I did cut my hair recently. I cut it 2 days ago, and I kind of messed it up. I mean, I like it. Kind of. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. You know, it's okay. I'm pretty sure it's the Hiccups. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Let's see if we can get a good angle, okay? I hope that's good enough. My poor dog. It's just like... That looks disgusting, I'm sorry. Anyways, I just watched myself. I just watched the video, and I'm so awkward. I'm very sorry for that. I guess on video I don't even really know what I'm saying, because I'm more like looking at myself in the camera and I'm not focusing on what I'm saying. So I'm sorry that I'm doing that. My awkwardness is real. But whatever. Just please, I bet you everyone's subscribed. It's been an update video, but pretty much I'm running out of space on my phone. My phone's gonna die pretty soon, and I don't really have another good time to finish this video up, so I guess this is the ending of this video. So I guess, yeah, that's it. I'll try to finish it later, maybe do a part 2. So my awkwardness is, whoa, it's killing me and you, I bet. What am I? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna end now before I do anything else. Don't die, eat pie, buy my turtlecorns.